Hello all, my name is Krish Naik and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, Hype Cycle for Emerging Technologies 2021 from Gartner is out now. You will be able to see which are the emerging technologies. And probably this will be very much important for everyone who are planning to probably learn something new or switch to a different technology, or if you are actually bored from the older technology that you are actually working, right? So in this, you'll be able to see this is the entire graph, okay? Here you'll be able to see that in the emerging technologies, right, in the left hand side, see this graph has a huge peak over here, and then again it comes down and it is basically showing a plateau of productivity. Now when the peak is very high, so usually it is basically in this region. So most of the technologies that you'll be seeing, like generative AI, which is pretty much famous nowadays, it is basically in the peak of inflation expectation. That basically means most of the companies will definitely be using this. Composable applications, AI, augmented software engineering, non-fungible tokens, data fabric, decentralized identity, right, because of blockchain and all, right, which is becoming very much famous. Decentralized finance, again, application of blockchain altogether, right? And here you can see some of the colors, and one very easy way to find out, here you'll be able to see that various colors are also there, okay? Plateau to be reached, like if this blue color symbol over here, you see over here something like non-fungible tokens, this will probably take 2 to 5 years to come to this plateau of productivity. That basically means most of the companies will probably be using at that point of time. But right now, since this is in the peak of inflation, probably it will be getting used. I'm going to talk about this, and what Gartner has also given is that they've told to focus on 3 themes, right, to watch in the emerging technologies. One is basically here will be the entire list. One is sovereign cloud, then NFT, non-fungible tokens, quantum, ML, generative AI, and homomorphic encryption. Now here you can understand that why machine learning is so much important. Generative AI, again, it is a part of GAN itself. Quantum computing is also very much important. Non-fungible token and sovereign cloud. And because of this, probably in the upcoming 5 to 10 years, in the upcoming 5 years, I think this is the technology which will be getting used more and more. Guys, before I proceed, I really want to quickly announce 2 batches from iNeuron that is the part of affordable courses. One is the MLDL and one is the DLCV NLP. It is basically starting from 28th August 2021. The timing of the batch for MLDL is 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Saturday and Sunday, and the doubt clearing session is on Thursday. Over here, the entire price is 3540 INR. The live sessions will be between 5 to 6 months. It will take around 5 to 6 months to complete. Apart from that, you'll also be getting all the pre-recorded videos. So you can check out all this information. It has more than 30 plus projects and all, right? So both the course link I will be giving in the description of this particular video. And if you have any questions, please do contact the support team, whose number will be given in the description of this particular video itself. So guys, now let's go ahead and have a look on each and every technologies probably that are emerging, that are in the peak and all. And probably from this, you will definitely be able to select some based on the domain and technology that you really want to work. As said, from these 3 themes to watch in the emerging technologies, we have sovereign cloud, NFT, quantum, ML, and generative AI. So if you are planning to go towards machine learning or deep learning or to generative AI, which is a part of deep learning itself, definitely you could go over here. Apart from that, since I have also spoken about from this particular Gartner survey, here you can actually see that decentralized finance, okay, and one more thing was decentralized identity. So this is a part of blockchain, and again it is going to reach the plateau of productivity in the another 5 to 10 years. So blockchain can also be an important technology to basically learn, right? So this can be also one part. And then you have AI augmented software engineering, and right now AI augmented and virtual reality is also very much amazing technology. You'll be able to see, with respect to the user experience, it provides an amazing user experience with respect to any kind of apps or any kind of things that you are going to use. So definitely that is there. You can also see there are some more things like sovereign cloud, industry cloud, homomorphic encryption. Probably this is also very much important, because now if I talk about the thing related to data security, definitely homomorphic encryption part, right, which will actually help you to, you know, encrypt the data so that it is always protected within the organization. So this will definitely be helpful. Here you can see that more than 10 years probably it will take to for the plenty of productivity. There's something like AI driven innovation, AI augmented design, quantum ML. Again, it is a part where it will take more than 10 years to reach the productivity part. So quantum ML is also there. That is the reason, if I just want to talk about the three topmost or four topmost, here you can have sovereign cloud, non-fungible token, quantum ML, generative AI, homomorphic encryption, right, are among the track the firm said. So obviously this is the outcome from the Gartner survey. Definitely have a look, guys, to this entire survey, and this is very much important, since I'll tell you why. As you are planning to learn something new, it is always good to pick up the right technology. According to my experience, I picked up data science very early because I could predict, okay, somewhere it is going to get used in an amazing way, since the data is increasing exponentially, since your hardware cost is going down, right? So definitely I learned it. I got that particular advantage. Now from here you can also definitely see it, and based on that you can also start your learning. So I hope you like this particular video. Please do make sure that you subscribe to the channel. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you and all. Bye bye.